I should have minded my own business. I always kept to myself. I always kept my head down. I never bothered nobody. So why now? Why would I let my mind slip away? What possessed me to look toward the danger? Now, I never understood the phrase curiosity killed the cat. Thought it sounded corny. Thought to myself, ain't no harm in a little danger. Well, that couldn't be farther from the truth, because it's a whole lot of harm. Curiosity got my cat killed. I know what you're thinking. Who is this guy? He sounds like a lunatic. But I'm speaking to you from experience. You should probably listen to my story before curiosity gets your cat killed too. I was...
Who sent you? Yes, you. The scariest motherfucker in the room. Who sent you?
Nobody.
You're FBI. I fucking knew it.
No,
CIA?
No.
DEA?
No, I'm not.
The U.S. Postal Service?
What?
Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you saw what we've been planning. Hey, give him his award for sticking his nose in shit it doesn't belong in. If you got something to say, now's the time.
I won't say anything, dude. Just let me go, please. Please, I just want to go.
It's not about who you tell. It's about what you saw. Signing off.